Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're featuring what we believe is the best Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash cream available, the Medline Remedy Essentials Zinc Oxide Skin Protectant Paste. Whether you're caring for a baby, an elderly family member, or simply need a reliable skin barrier, this product is a must-have in your skincare routine. Let's explore why it stands out. We begin with the formulation. This cream combines 75% white petrolatum and 20% zinc oxide, creating a thick, dense paste that serves as a serious defense against wetness and irritation. Whether it's from incontinence, sweat, friction, or heat, the paste stays in place and provides a long-lasting protective layer. That doesn't need constant reapplication, great for sensitive, compromised, or at-risk skin. When applied, it doesn't just sit on top like other creams. It actively soothes and shields the skin, making it perfect not only for diaper rash but also for minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and any areas prone to chafing or itchiness. This is especially helpful for adults who are bedridden, elderly individuals, or anyone dealing with prolonged exposure to moisture. Another reason this cream shines is its gentle, hypoallergenic formula. It's free from harsh additives like parabens, alcohol, dyes, and fragrances. That means even the most sensitive skin types, babies, seniors, or those with chronic skin conditions, can benefit from it without worrying about irritation or allergic reactions. And because it's CHG compatible, it's even trusted and used in hospitals and long-term care facilities across the country. Let's talk about usability. The product comes in a convenient 4 ounces squeeze tube, making it perfect for use at home, during travel, or at the bedside. It's compact enough to slip into a purse or bag, but packed with enough product to last through many applications thanks to its thick consistency. What sets the Medline Remedy Essentials paste apart is not just its powerful blend of protective ingredients, but its thoughtful, medical-grade design. Created by experts in skincare and backed by one of the most trusted names in healthcare, this cream brings the same high level of care used in clinical settings into your everyday life. Whether you're dealing with diaper rash, sensitive aging skin, or skin breakdown from incontinence, this paste acts like a barrier and a healer. You'll notice reduced redness, calmer skin, and longer intervals between applications. It's practical, it's proven, and above all, it works. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video.